I-35 that dude's parting out. Good thing with parts out. And I was gonna go to Naples and get that. And I'm gonna take you guys along with the journey. My cousin right here in the green. And the lime green. Camaro, he was gonna take me. So I just go get the part and fix so I can put it on tomorrow. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a blast, I guess. What's good, bro? Yes, sir. Finally here, man. This part gotta be good, man. Good neighborhood, man. Good neighborhood. Okay, that shit's fire. That sounds nice, man.
I'm trying to get some precision race work coils. The blue ones, I don't know if you see those.
Yeah, I seen them. I know exactly what you're talking about.
That like completed, you know?
Shit's nice.
They're like $500.
This shit's everything expensive with this, bro. Everything. That's a nice build, but damn. 52 too, bro. Shit's fire. Yeah. My boy got all the parts here, man. All the parts. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hit him up, man. If you're in the Naples area, let him know. I'll put a link down below. The @ the IG, all that.
True that.
Look at the N52, man. Look at the N52, though, man. No. Look at that.
I think I said interior.
Dang. Hey, this is nice, bro.
Look at that custom wheel.
Yeah, that's crazy. Paddle shifters and all. This is crazy, man. Carbon fiber trunk.
That's my @ Follow me.
Oh yeah, there you go. Is that right here? Also put in a link below, so watch out for that.
You know,
definitely.
You know how we coming with the red stripe?
Yeah, you know how you coming.
we got a stripe squad. You see the Beamers? Well, this is the stripe squad. We got a couple of them. We got blue on that one. My other friend got white, green, yellow.
Nah, that shit's fire. Definitely.
We'll put the stripes on it.
Hey, Merry Christmas, guys. All my viewers. Happy holidays.
Yeah, man. So this one is a beast. Want to hear it?
Yeah, turn on. Damn, bro. This shit's crazy. Are you catted from all the way back?
Hell yeah.
That shit is crazy. That shit is amazing, bro. Yes, sir. Shit, man.
That's how it's gonna sound when you put the blow valve on there.
Yeah, of course.
Put them on this shit.
Okay.
We gotta get under there. And we're not gonna take the engine out, but we're gonna drop this. That's the subframe on your car. So it's the same car as yours. And you see, I strip everything on this fucker. Everything's stuck. I don't know if you can fucking see inside there.
Damn, bruh. How long did it take you to do all this?
A week. I have help with some buddies. We all did it together, but everything's getting sold like quick as hell.
You already got the pulleys and stuff sold too?
What pulleys you need? I still have some.
The belt pulleys.
I got tensioner.
Oh, tensioner.
I got tensioner. I actually have all the pulleys if you need them.
Okay, okay.
But that's a power steering pump, so yours is probably still good as long as you're, yeah, should be good. But
that's crazy, bro. You're on that. I'll give you that, bro.
yeah, man. So if you're serious about your car, you know, I know that pain, yeah. So this is like a cheap alternative. If you work with me, you know, I'll give you good prices. You know?
No, I got you for sure, bro. This shit's crazy. It's nice.
I know how it is, bro, with the dealers and shit.
Yeah, I just got back not too long ago, guys. I had to assemble the blowout valve. It took about 5 minutes to do. Really kind of easy, just a couple screws and you just put it back on, attach them, as you can see right here. Really kind of easy. This is a tile blowout valve, as you guys can see. I'm going to replace this little vacuum line here. I don't think that's OEM. I don't think I came with it. I think that man just, like, whoever had it before just kind of did it himself, it seems like. So I'm just going to replace that. But other than that, it seems like it's a pretty solid charge pipe and blowout valve combination. We're going to find out tomorrow, for real though. All right, guys, it is the next day. I got my charge pipe, I'm about to put it on today. I already started the process last night a little bit, just to start things off. I got the intakes off, and I started taking this right here off, the little bracket. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna start taking everything piece by piece now. Shouldn't be that hard. Did before. So yeah, that's that. Let's get right, man. Let's get right. Because I want everything to go smoothly, you feel me? So I do got the Vince Carter jersey on, you know. There it is, my boy. Like I said, I already installed it last night. Put the blowout valve on and stuff like that. I'm not, like I told you guys, I'm not sure what kind of blowout valve and charge pipe this is, since I did get it from the part off. He told me that it was actually a pretty good charge pipe, but he doesn't know about the blowout valve. He doesn't know where it came from. He doesn't know if it's, so basically, we don't know if it's knockoff or not. I mean, I hope it's not, but I don't know. So, just gonna try to put this shit on now. Yeah, it should be a direct fit, definitely. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm gonna take this part off right here. It's a little clamp. Take that, get it out of the way. Little frog, man, little frog. What's up, man? Got my car, man. What's up, man? Got my car, man. Look, you lucky I'm busy right now. I'm out. Get the thing out of here, man. If it's not your home, you don't pay rent, man. I'm telling you, you gotta let these frogs know, man. Anyways, let's get back. I take this right here off, obviously. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the screw off. I'm gonna find out right now, that screw. I'm gonna figure out what size screw it is, what I need. It seems like it's gonna be a T30. I don't know, we're gonna figure out. But I'm gonna start by taking this off right here. Just trying to take the diverter valves off. I got 4 here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. So I'm just trying to take these off first, and then everything should assemble out itself, since I already established everything else off. So yes, that's where I'm at right now. It's really just a twist and pull type of method, but it seems to be a little stuck. So all right, got this one out. I'm trying to get this one out. I got this one out right here. It's kind of like a twist and pull. It was kind of tricky at first, but after you get a little hang of it, you're gonna be all right. It's like how you open a can of orange juice, kind of. You got like twist and pull, but at the same time you got to twist. You feel me? So twist to your left all the time. Every single time, just push it down, twist to your left. All right, so there is one more last diverter valve I need to get rid of. This one right here, the back one. I'm having kind of a hard time getting that one, so I've been skipping over that. I'm just coming straight to this bolt right here, which is a T30. Which is a T30, like I said. So I'm just gonna do that now and get that out of the way. And this should just come right out. So yeah, let's just do that now. Like I said before, if you guys didn't hear me, this is a T30. To get this bolt off right here. so I finally got it off. I don't know if this is attached or something else. It seems like it's, yeah. All right, so get this wire right here off. You just have to use the T20s. I'm using T20s for this. Can't let it go too far down. Yeah, so I'm using T20s. I'm just gonna snap that off real quick, and then it'll be disattached, so I'll be good to go. Yes, sir. About to put the new one in. Damn, man, this shit's dusty. Fuck out of here. So now I'm just getting the mass airflow sensor off and putting it right here. Tagging onto that. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. Same thing, I'm using T20. Should get it off, and once I get it off T20, I'm just gonna do the same. I don't know if I should use the same bolts that T20 put on here, or use these and just call it a night, but yeah, that's my predicament right now. Yeah, like I said, T20. All right, so update. I did manage to kind of put it on there. It's kind of getting kind of hard to budge for some reason, but yeah, it's kind of some things are in the way. I don't know if this is supposed to be like this. I feel it on weird. Shit, man. I think this needs to be twisted a little more. I'm gonna try to do now. But besides that, I did get the sensor off, so make sure you gotta do that. I did a T20 on the sensors too. I'm gonna connect it to the back of the mouse right here. So that's what's gonna happen next, and then after that, it should be straight. It should be good to go. I'm just trying to get this on now, so I won't have to worry about other stuff later. But yeah, this should not be happening. It is. I don't know why. All right, I'm gonna get this shit right, man. Shit gonna be snug as fuck. All right, guys. With that being said, I finally got it on. As you can see, all you gotta do is assemble everything else on, like the dual cone intakes and stuff like that, and it'll be done. By the way, I did put the MAV sensor on when I got done with putting this on, so I had to get it from the bottom. I advise you guys to do it all beforehand. So take the MAV sensor out, take everything you need, the bolts out. I advise you do all that beforehand, before putting the actual charge pipe on. And then once you put the charge pipe on, you might have a little trouble putting this on right here. I advise you just take the two snugs all the way out so they be loosened, and then put them all together at once, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's really it. I officially got it on. Stage 2+ again. So in conclusion, guys, I got the charge pipe on. I got the T-map sensor on as well. I got really everything on. Right now, it just looks like it's going into the intake because it needs to be twisted a little bit more, which I'm about to do right now. But other than that, that's really it. I advise you guys just assemble everything before you put the charge pipe on. I didn't do that. I just assembled the blowout valve, so I didn't put the T-map sensor on beforehand, which I feel like I should have done. That's really it, though. I mean, it was kind of easy. It would have been easier if you was just assemble it beforehand, you feel me? But with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, all you have to do now is just kind of twist this so it could be in the middle, so it won't be in the intake part. So it won't be in the way of the intake. So I just move that real quick, and I'll be done. Put the clamp back on, I'm done. Right now, I cannot start the car because I did take my coolant tank off. I'm waiting for a new coolant tank to come in. I will be doing a DOI on that, so just stay tuned for that. And I appreciate you guys watching again. This is Mar from Everything Beamer signing off.